In today's lesson, we are going to be learning to some different expressions to say someone is teasing me, someone is annoying me, disturbing me, making fun of me in modern English. So let's do it. Hi everybody, this is Farhan Jamil from Saif Trainings, Pakistan. And today I'm helping you with the alternative expression to say someone is disturbing me. Because it's a very school level expression, and whenever we talk to a native speaker or we watch an English movie or a season, they never use these basic level of expressions. So let's learn some modern expressions, and before that, if you want to brush up your spoken English skills, your business English, English writing skills, grammar, vocabulary, so don't forget to join our online video calling interactive sessions. And all the detail is in the link given in the description. So let's begin with the first alternative expression, and that is to take the Mickey out of someone. The Mickey Mouse. Maybe this expression is from the Disney World. But anyways, to take the Mickey out of someone means to make fun of someone. Let me give you an example. Don't try to take the Mickey out of him, because if you do so, you are going to rub him up the wrong way. And there comes the second expression, and that is to rub someone up the wrong way. But to take the Mickey out of someone and to rub someone up the wrong way are two different expressions, and they do have different meanings. They too are like chalk and cheese. The meaning might look similar, but it's different. For example, to take the Mickey out of someone means to make fun of someone. But to rub someone up the wrong way means to disturb someone, to annoy someone. And let me give you the same example again. Don't try to take the Mickey out of him, because if you do so, you are going to rub him up the wrong way. Which means don't try to make fun of him, because if you do so, you are going to disturb him or annoy him. And the third expression is to be the laughing stock. To be the laughing stock means a person, team, company, or a country whom everybody makes fun of, or who is the figure of fun. Here comes an example. My friend has failed his exam, although he feels gutted, but now he is the laughing stock in his class. And here comes the last expression, that is the gutted. Gutted means to feel disappointed, disturbed, devastated. Let me repeat the same example. My friend has failed his exam, although he feels gutted, although he feels disappointed, devastated, but now he is the laughing stock in his class. But now everybody makes fun of him. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you got a buzz out of this lesson. And don't forget to check out our website saif.pk and do select your desired course, and I'll see some of you in our online courses. So give me a big thumbs up and have a wonderful day ahead.